Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Every Great Pioneer from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. Every great pioneer. Every great pioneer had mountains to climb and battles to fight. What made him great was that he didn't give in, and he persevered despite the pain. He knew in his mind that with God, the battle wasn't too great, but the victory was his, if he persisted despite the trial. Thank you so much, Danny Chi. That was powerful. Now, I'd like to take a moment of gratitude with you now. If you can and able, close your eyes and think about the good in your life right now. I am grateful for my wife. I am grateful for my kitchen to be able to cook dinner in. I am grateful for the beautiful weather. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.